If you are someone who burps all day, every day, especially after eating, for me, that would be the number one sign that you don't have enough acid inside your stomach to digest your food. Now, there is another possibility as well. You could have a bacteria called H. pylori or Helicobacter pylori that not only suppresses your acid and increases that fermentation, but it also produces hydrogen gas, which is one of the things that you're burping out all of the time. So for me, it's a low acid problem. But first, if you're one of my clients, I would give you some Pylo-Purge to rule out H. pylori, because if I give you acid and you have H. pylori, in some people, it can create an ulcer. So first, 1 round of Pylo-Purge to rule out H. pylori. Then I will give you Digest Purge, which contains HCl and enzymes to give you instant improvement in your digestion to reduce the burping. Hopefully that helps.